Hey guys, my name is Pablo Serrano, owner of the Black Sheep Loan Service and part of the EcoMean Business Group for the 2023 year. Today we're going to show you how to raise a sprinkler head without using a shovel. No mess, clean cut, easy with the Clifton, which it raised the sprinkler head 2 inches. And for that, the only tool that you actually going to use is to cut it. We're gonna go out up front of this house and show you how to. All right, let's go over there. So when you are in front of the house, a nice way to figure it out that the sprinkler head is lower than it's supposed to. You're gonna see the grass kind of brush in a specific direction, which means this sprinkler head is not popping up enough and it's pushing the grass to the side. That's a good indication that the sprinkler is actually lower than it's supposed to. So the first thing we're gonna use is to cut it. The cutter tool is made by the same manufacturer. Um, it has some teeth that it will help you clean the grass around the sprinkler head. Um, it's big enough for the sprinkler to fit in, so that way you won't do a big mess over here. And it also comes with a separate tool to loosen up the sprinkler head. And on the top, you can see it's a 3/4 socket that you can use. The manufacturer recommend using a socket wrench, not a power tool, just not to mess up the teeth or mess up the grass. Now I'm going to show you how it looks before the installation. All right, let me turn it on. So there you go. Look how the water kind of brushes off the grass, and it doesn't get to where it's supposed to. That's the reason why we're gonna add the 2 inches from the K-lift. So that will be the next step. Just do the job. So like I said, the first thing we're gonna do is just to cut it with the socket wrench. You kind of line it up where the sprinkler head is, and then you put the socket on top, and then you just kind of go around, twist it a little bit, kind of clear out all the roots around the sprinkler. Then you kind of grab the excess, kind of clean it up. Of course, it's full of water because we use it. So we might have to wait a little bit until it clears out the water. All right, see you in a bit. And we're back. Finally dries out. As you can see, still a little bit of sand and dirt around, so you kind of give that a little clean around it, and all that excess, you get it out of the way. So when we were doing the cutted part, we figured it out that it was the wrong sprinkler. This house have the sprinkler, a different one. This is the one on the house, and for the video purpose, this is the one that we need, the 5000 Rainbird. Um, we swap it out, so now it's gonna be a little messier than it's supposed to be after we do the cutting. Another thing that I figured it out is these teeth right here should line up with your sprinkler. The big gap is you line up with this one. If it doesn't line up, like this one right here, you see how it doesn't line up? All you gotta do is just pull it out a little bit and kind of twist it and take it to that position, and then push it in all the way in, and that should be it. And then the extension, you put it like this, screw it, and that's it. And you put this whole thing on the sprinkler, and that will give you the 2 inch extra to clear the grass. So let's do it on the actual sprinkler. So I was saying the next step it will be to get the cap and all the guts out of the sprinkler head, and to do that, twist it around a little bit until it come off. As you can see, you get it out, and then you grab this part and you line it up again, like I said on the truck. And like I said on the truck, if it doesn't line up with the holes, twist it around a little bit until it's there, and then you press it. Make sure it's all lined up, and you press it all the way in. You grab the extension that comes with the kit, you screw it, and then that's it. You put it back. You just put it in, line it up all the way in, and screw it all the way in, but just make sure the bottom is not turning. And if you're not able to do it by hand, you can grab the cutter kit, put it upside down, and turn it. That should do it. Now the next step, it will be just to make sure the pattern is the way it's supposed to, and that's it. You got yourself a sprinkler head, raise up 2 inches. Once you put it in, you grab the dirt that you took out and kind of cover up the hole. Just remember, this hole is a little bit bigger because we have to swap it. When you use the cut it tool by itself without swapping the sprinkler, the hole is not going to be big, it's going to be smaller. But either way, you got to pack the side with the dirt, as I'm doing right here, just to make sure it's steady. That's good. So after you pack it like that with the dirt, put it back in there. All right, now we turn it on, and just to make sure the pattern is the right way and it will cover the area it is supposed to. So there you have it. As you can see, the water now is not touching the grass, which is smooth. That's which is good. That's what I was aiming for. So that's it. You see how simple it was to raise your sprinkler head 2 inches with the clifted and the cutting piece. For more videos like this, you can go on any social media and follow Echo Mean Business, especially in YouTube. They have a lot of more videos with a bunch of info that you guys gonna love it. So that's it. I appreciate it for your time, and see you on the next one. Take care.